Alright, this is the start of my online glitches that I found. The first one's right here. On these trees, you can get in them and get on top of those. So, not the greatest place to snipe or anything. Here's the rock glitch that I found. I told someone and they told someone, now they supposedly are the first people to find it, so I'm not going to give any names. Then you're stuck inside the rock. And unfortunately, you have to kill yourself. Alright, this one's at Mega Cannons. If you're ever in a game and you get stuck down here, come over here to this black rock, jump on top of it, you can jump out. A lot easier than going to the jump pad. Another one, right up here. If you want to come over here and get the mod for your gun real quick, just climb these rocks right here instead of using the jump pad and walking all the way around. And I got a mod. Cheap. Oh yeah, I did find one. It's pretty hard to do, and you can't get out of it. There's no point of doing it. But it's still fun to do it anyways. I've done it once. Jump over here and then hyper strike into that column where you get to control the Mega Cannon in Lombax, whatever. Hate that game. Hate that mode. And all you that play with the dual lacerators online, you can just go away because you have no skill. Just had to put that in there. There we go. I really don't know if people can hit you or anything. I know they could hit you with their wrench, but so you're basically screwed in here. Yeah, my game's going gay. So that's here at Mega Cannon. Hey, this is at Moon Cow Disease. This is the glitch that mostly every game needs, the super jump. You get up here. What you need to do is get at an angle so you're coming out of this little door, and at the same time hold circle, X, and back on the control, and keep tapping circle and X. Dang it. I don't know if I'll do it or not. I've done it about 10 times. Okay, maybe it's not working. There you go. See that? There, jumped again. If you do it right, you jump really high. Like that. So that's basically it.